Hey guys, it's Brian with B-Stride DIY. I wanted to talk to you about a current event going on right now. This is an article from August 24th of this year. It's a Florida man was booked into jail for the 75th time for trying out a Lowe's barcode scam. Now here's the article. It's saying Mark Brents was apprehended for the 75th time after being accused of a barcode manipulation scheme targeting Lowe's stores in Hillsborough County. I mean, I can kind of think of what this probably is already. My guess is that he's taking the barcodes off like a lower priced item, putting them on a higher priced item, and maybe going through the self checkout. But they still have security cameras there, so I'm not too sure that this would be successful anyway. Maybe once or twice, but not on a repeated scheme. Anyways, it says a 57-year-old man has been apprehended for the 75th time after being accused of a barcode manipulation scheme. It says despite this individual's lengthy criminal history, he still has not learned his lesson. We will not tolerate habitual offenders who continue to prey on our community, said Sheriff Chad Chronister. Now it says the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office stated that their organized retail theft unit uncovered that Mark Brents, 57, was switching barcodes. Okay. So yeah, it looks like I was correct here, was switching barcodes on items or scanning cheaper products to avoid paying full price at Lowe's. I mean, you wouldn't do this when you're in line with a person, obviously. I guess maybe when you're at like a self-checkout. But like I said, they have cameras there and they have a person at every Lowe's or Home Depot I've been to that's standing right there that's going to be staring and kind of watching what you're doing. So not too smart. This deputy reported that this scheme allowed him to deceive Lowe's repeatedly. Additionally, investigators found online advertisements posted by Brents promoting stolen items. So it looks like he was, selling these items online. CSO reported that Brents defrauded Lowe's of over $4,500 in merchandise across 10 incidents. Working alongside the Clearwater Police Department, the HCSO conducted a covert operation leading to Brent's arrest. Okay, now this is how they apprehended him, apparently. According to officials on August 21st, Brents was apprehended after driving recklessly in a black Nissan Altima with an improper tag. So another issue. At the time of his arrest, Brents was already on probation for felony fleeing to elude. Brents had been accused of an organized scheme to defraud less than $20,000, retail theft of $3,000 or more, and felony petite theft. HCSO stated that Brents has been in prison 11 times and has been to jail 74 times. Go ahead and hit the like button, guys, if you like this type of content, something where it's more like analyzing a news article or something that was going on at a Lowe's or Home Depot. You think about it.